When you get into our performance series, this is an example of a window wall system here with structure in between. But again, you still have the high base fill option here. Here's the thermal strut that you can clearly see. It's a little bit better than what I was showing you earlier because you can actually see it on my screen. Here's a standard base fill, still at 3/4 of an inch here. This is where your glass stop would go on the extrusion. Both series, both classic and performance, and all of our products except our multi-slice and bifolding doors have what's called an extruded nail fin or nail flange, whatever terminology you want to use. That extruded nail fin is there to help with the ease of installation during construction, whether that is to keep that unit plumb level square in that rough opening, ease of installation whenever you're using your fasteners around the unit to install, and also for waterproofing purposes. Our extruded nail fins are also an inch set back onto the extrusion. So if you're using classic series within that 4.5 inch jam depth, that extruded nail fin would be 3.5 inches. And if you have our performance series, which is typically a 5 7/8 jam depth, that extruded nail fin would also be an inch set back as well.